Okay, so I have this is a 2011 Dodge 2500 with the Cummins, and as a lot of Dodges, when you go to try to start it, nothing happens. So instead of spending a lot of money replacing this wind module, I bypassed it. Okay, pretty simple. Obviously I got the push button switch, and I just have two wires that I run down, and well, it's in this wire thing here. I haven't tied it up yet, but it goes through the firewall. There's a real easy connection. And if you look here in your junction box or your fuse box, the second relay here is your starter relay. Okay, this bottom left one right there is where the power actually goes down to the solenoid on the starter. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can jump from this terminal here and go up to the switch and then back to this, but then it's hot all the time. So what I did was went over here and pulled power off of this little spot here, which only has power with the key. This is for your cigarette lighter. So I just moved the fuse over here so that my little power supply outlet is always on. So when I turn the key on, that sends power to the red wire up to the switch. As soon as I push the switch on, that completes the circuit. And right here, it will send power down to the starter. And I'm sure this probably isn't the best way, but I just crammed the wire in there, and then I cut a little notch here for the wires. That way the push button starter switch really only has power when the key is on. If you do it off of your relay, then it's always energized, and you can bump it when you don't want to. But instead of spending a whole bunch of money to get a new module, you can do this. I was like 10 bucks on the switch, and I just had the wire lying around. And it works really well.